Upgrading your windows is one of the smartest investments you can make for your Fleming Island home. Modern windows improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and offer better protection against Florida's heat and storms. But while choosing the right windows is a big step, preparing your home before the installation team arrives is just as important. A little preparation ensures the project runs smoothly, saves time, and protects your property. Here are the key steps to prepare your Fleming Island home for a successful window installation project. Clear access around windows. Your installation crew will need open access to all windows, inside and outside. Taking the time to prepare the space makes the job safer and more efficient. Inside, move furniture, lamps, and wall decor at least 3 feet away from windows. This gives installers room to work and prevents accidental damage. Outside, trim back bushes, move grills, potted plants, or patio furniture, and clear any obstructions. With Florida's lush landscaping, this step is especially important for Fleming Island homes. Providing a clear work area helps your installers stay focused and finish the project faster. Remove window coverings and hardware before installation day. Take down blinds, curtains, shades, and any hardware attached to the old windows. Why it matters. This prevents dust and debris from damaging your treatments and saves installers time. Extra tip. If you're upgrading your style, this is also the perfect opportunity to choose new window coverings that match the look of your replacement windows. Store treatments safely in another room until the installation is complete. Protect floors and belongings. Window replacement can be messy. Even with careful work, dust and debris are unavoidable. Cover floors. Lay down old sheets or tarps near work zones to catch debris. Protect large furniture. If heavy items can't be moved, cover them with cloth or plastic. Relocate valuables. Move fragile items like vases, photo frames, or electronics to a safe location during the installation. This preparation keeps your home clean and minimizes post-installation cleanup. Plan for children and pets. Window installation involves loud tools, frequent movement, and open wall spaces. To keep everyone safe, children, arrange for kids to stay in another part of the house or with family during installation. Pets. Secure pets in a quiet room away from the work or arrange for them to stay with a neighbor or friend. By planning ahead, you prevent stress for your loved ones and give installers room to work without distraction. Communicate with your installer. Strong communication ensures your project goes smoothly. Before installation day, talk with your contractor about important details. Confirm the schedule. Verify start times and how long the project is expected to take. Discuss access points. Let installers know where they can park and which doors to use. Share special concerns. Mention alarm systems, WA rules, or specific areas that need extra care. Since Fleming Island neighborhoods often have WA guidelines, this step avoids unnecessary issues. Prepare for temporary disruptions during installation. Parts of your home may be temporarily exposed to the outdoors. Temperature changes. Expect brief shifts in indoor comfort as windows are removed and replaced. Noise. Power tools and construction noise are part of the process, so plan accordingly if you work from home. Privacy. Installers will move in and out of your home frequently, so plan around the activity. Knowing what to expect makes the process much easier to manage. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is a valuable upgrade that improves your Fleming Island home's comfort, style, and efficiency. By taking a few simple steps, clearing access, removing coverings, protecting belongings, planning for pets and children, and communicating with your installers, you'll ensure the project is smooth and stress-free. With the right preparation, you'll soon be enjoying your beautiful new windows, lower energy bills, and enhanced protection against Florida's heat and storms, all while adding lasting value to your home.